Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tomica Table, and today I have with me 2018 new Honda Civic Type R limited color. Well, as you can see, the box is not in perfect condition, kind of got crushed, well, on the bringing back from Japan part. Well, anyway, I guess it's still fine, considering that he gave it to me pretty cheap. So anyway, 2018 made, yeah, for E, well, basically, A, B, C, D, E, so E is the 5th month, so this was made in May 2018. On the top, we can see a brand new Honda license, not like the old Honda license, which let me find on this Honda Civic Type R. So this one is the old Honda Civic Type R, and yes, this is the old Honda license. So as we can see, the differences in the Honda license over here. So anyway, this is the old versus new Type R. Put that there and right there. So as you can see, this one is 4-door, while this one is 2 doors. So let's not focus on the FK2R, let's focus on the FK8. So anyway, number 58, and yep, well, the red version. So let's open it up and take a look at the car inside. So first off, we can see our red chrome wheels, not like our silver chrome on the old Honda Civic Type R. This one is actually red chrome. So yeah, pretty nice that they added a new, well, not new chrome, because the TEM, Tomica event model for the Civic, also had red chrome, but this, just an extra detail to match with the body paint. So anyway, first off, what I noticed is on the side, there's a carbon fiber like look and feel. So sorry, yeah, still got my cold, and you see on the front bumper, it kind of looks like real carbon fiber, even though it's just molded plastic. So yeah, like on the front right there, I don't know if you can see it, but it continues on to the side over here, where you can see a really realistic looking carbon fiber. On the back bumper, yes, it's present too, and same for this side. So anyway, a red Honda badge for the front, red because it's a Type R, and yeah, your front grille, 3 over here, and front headlights, which aren't tampos but are actually plastic. So front bonnet over here, we have a air vent, which not much detail, just outline and a little indent into the metal. And well, yeah, sorry, my cold is really bothering me, and hopefully it doesn't really bother you. Well, anyway, yeah. So air vent right there on the back side of the wheel. There is an air vent actually on the front to feed that air vent right there. So it comes out over here and comes in over here. So yep, just got suspension as well. Not as good as some other cars, but yeah, pretty good, I guess. And anyway, for this side, we can see all the details on the door here, and your step right here, and yeah, petrol cap, and yeah, really detailed, to be honest, for normal series Tomica. I mean, if this was a premium or something, expected, but this is a really good deal for wherever, which country you're in. Singapore, $7, Japan 450 yen, and well, I think I've said well enough, but it is a really nice casting. So on the top are antenna stand and a couple of, I don't know what you call these, maybe, I don't know, are these diffusers? I mean, like, diffusers are here, like right here next to the exhaust pipes. Triple right there. Actually, triple actually. The middle one is a bit smaller. Looks like a dummy, but I guess it could be real. So more air vents at the back, and Civic right here. Honda Type R, really small and black. On that side, a space for the number plate and your wing. So this side part right here isn't metal or isn't plastic, it's just basically kind of rubber. Well, this feels, well, I mean, it's bendable, but it's matte black, so I guess it's rubber too. Rear light tampos come from black to red to silver, very detailed indeed. And the front, yep, yet again, it's the plastic headlights. So yeah, really nice casting. Just can't get over how much this casting is like 10 out of 10 to me. So anyway, for the base, we can see really nicely detailed here for the back axle, front axle also there, and a bunch of other details. So anyway, made in Vietnam, Honda Civic Type R, number 58, but it says here not number, but made in, well, not made in, sorry, well, the license was issued in 2017. So for all the 2018 cars so far, they have said 2017. Let me find that end box. So on the base, I don't know if you can see, should say 2017. Yeah, it does say 2017. I don't know if you can see it, but I don't know if any car base will ever have the words number 2018 because they all seem to have 2017. So I guess 2017 was a busy year for Tomica, but all the stuff was released, all the good stuff was released in 2018. So yeah, I guess that's enough of me joining on. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Do like, comment, and subscribe.